So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make veg Manchurian. So let's start with the intro. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use today. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So firstly here I am taking grated cabbage, and now I am adding chopped carrot into it, as well as some chopped capsicum into it, salt according to taste, some black pepper powder. Now I am adding Kashmiri red chilli powder into it. Why I am adding Kashmiri red chilli powder? It will give the color, and if you go in the restaurant to eat Manchurian, they will add artificial color which is very harmful for the health. Now here I am adding refined flour. I am using 1 cup of refined flour. Now here I am adding corn flour into it, and this will give the crispiness to our dough. I am also going to add leftover refined flour and corn flour into it to adjust the consistency of the dough. Now as you can see, the dough is ready. Now I am making the small balls and I am going to deep fry it for around 2 to 3 minutes. We have to fry our Manchurian balls until golden brown in color, not totally brown. As you can see, our Manchurian balls are turned into golden brown in color, which means they are half done. So now we have to fry it double. Now I am going to fry it twice. So here I am going to fry it again. This will give the nice crispy texture to our Manchurian balls. Now we have to fry these Manchurian balls until turn into brown in color, like this. Now these balls will be very crispy. And now we have to make the sauce for our Manchurian balls. So here I have heated oil. I am adding finely chopped garlic into it. And now I am going to saute my garlic for around 30 seconds on medium-high flame. As my garlic turned into golden brown in color, now I am adding sliced onions into it. And now I am going to cook it well. As you can see, onions are turned into golden brown in color, so I am adding capsicum and carrots into it. And now I am going to cook it well. I am adding some salt into it and some black pepper powder as well, according to the taste. And now I am going to add around 4 tablespoons of dark soya sauce into it. And now I am adding green chili sauce into it. Green chili sauce is totally optional. If you want red chili sauce, then you can put red chili sauce into it for the spiciness. And now I am adding around 1 cup of water into it. Now to give the thickness to my sauce, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour and I have added water into it. And I am going to make the smooth slurry of it like this. And I am going to add it in my sauce. After adding corn flour slurry, you will see the sauce will get thick automatically. And now I am adding spring onions into it. And now we have to add Manchurian balls to our sauce. And now we have to give a nice toss. And now our veg Manchurian is ready to serve. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.